This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one.
Yeah, I know the competitors are glad it's finally go time. Let's do this.
Both these superstars are primed and ready to roll.
But here's the thing. You have to perform if you want to bask in that WWE glory.
Blake has found an answer here.
He's really got things going his way.
He'll have a tough time shaking the cobwebs loose after that. Just making his presence felt there. Now, why did he do that? A move like that's low. It's appalling, if you ask me. Totally disrespectful.
Well, when he sees the belt, he likes to hit below it.
After a move like that, he's going to need a chiropractor in his near future. And that's why the adage holds true. There's a first time for everything.
I think you're right. I believe that's the first time he's ever attempted this.
Man, that got him good. He landed a perfectly placed strike. That'll send a message to your adversary, all right.
Right, and the message reads P-A-I-N.
He's certainly showing us something new from his repertoire.
That's cool. I like new stuff.
Well, well, well. That's the first time tonight we've seen that move.
I wouldn't mind seeing it a little more often.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Can he end it quickly?
If the referee counts. Whoa!
He's measuring.
That's it. He's done.
Oh, man, there's the finish.
Hey, look at him sneak one in.
Looking to steal one there, perhaps.
Yeah, I think it's way too early in the match for that to work.
After the amount of punishment he suffered, it's simply amazing that he's still in this one. Blake saw that one coming.
Good move.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Out there.
Since it's not a false count anywhere match, I'd have to agree with you.
Not a lot of spring left in his step right now.
Perhaps looking to take the action to the outside here.
Perhaps. It's happening, Cole, right before your very eye.
He's doing everything he can to get his bearings back here. Otherwise, this match could be over sooner than anyone could have anticipated.
Yeah, Cole, this is when you have to settle things down. Get the blood flowing back in your body and strategize what your next move or your next form of attack will be.
What a shot. You can hear that from a mile away. You'll see what someone's really made of after an assault like that.
He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup.
And Blake heads for the top rope.
The strikes have a little extra on them tonight. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Boy, he was able to reverse it and get out of that.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt-kicking right here. Here we go again.
Well, there you have it. Well, this might be the worst yet.
Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big. Well, that's it.
What a finishing maneuver. This could be it. It's got to be it.
Well, Blake's not looking great now. Well, this might be the worst yet.
And there's the submission. This might be it. Can he do it? Can he dig down deep and fight out of this hold?
And you can put this singles match in the books.